Hey there! Today we're diving into a programming problem that might surprise you. The problem we're tackling involves a C program that raises the question of whether it is guaranteed to exit with a value of 0. We'll explore if the compiler can identify objects in a certain way, similar to the named return value optimization in C++. Now, let's talk about the solution. It is guaranteed that the program will exit with 0. The objects t and s are distinct, and pointers to them cannot compare as equal. So, despite initial expectations, the program will indeed exit with 0. About the code variation that was mentioned previously, factors such as lifetime considerations could come into play. According to C11 standards, the value of a pointer becomes indeterminate when the object it points to reaches the end of its lifetime. This could potentially lead to different outcomes, such as returning 1, 0, or even triggering a trap. In summary, we've explored a fascinating problem in C programming and clarified why the program is guaranteed to exit with 0. If you found this information intriguing, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a witty comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.